comes America. I got a ton of room on my side.
We're doing good. We probably could straighten it a little bit.
Is it coming? Which way is it going?
It just needs the wheel straightened. The front end's coming
Your way?
around.
No, it's good. It's fine.
No, it's gonna get tight.
So you need. That way?
I didn't see it move yet.
It definitely moved.
You're straightening it out?
Yeah.
Driver side steer?
Yeah.
Okay. It still looks turned from my side, but
It's way out of alignment.
okay.
Try more.
That's good. That's good.
Okay. Okay. What's that nose look like?
Nothing
I
yet.
got this if you want to go look at the nose.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah. Cleared?
So far, so good. Oh, just nicked it.
There it is. We'll get back to you in 2029 with our first test drive. See how bad those wheels are out of alignment?
Oh, yeah. Doesn't look like much right now,
I
does
gotta
it?
get body.
Does not look like much.